Hello everyone, and welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. Today, you guys watched on Northern Seclusion. I made this, I don't know, it was a couple months ago probably. Taco hot dish, and it's really good. It's pretty quick to make, and it's always been kind of a favorite. So today we're going to cook that up. I didn't do a how-to video that time, so this time I am. So this recipe is just like what it sounds like, taco hot dish. So you are going to prepare your hamburger, your ground meat, just like you're going to do tacos. So I have 2 pounds. I'm going to do a double batch. If you're just eating it for, you or whatever, we like to cook a lot of food and eat it for several days. This would be considered a double batch. So I've got 2 pounds of hamburger, and to this I'm going to add 2 packets of taco seasoning mix. So whatever your favorite kind of taco seasoning mix is, it doesn't matter. Just pretend you're making tacos. You want to boil. For this batch, I'm doing 1 pound of elbow macaroni. I'm going to get that boiling and softened up. If you ever have trouble with this boiling over, just add a little bit of oil on top and it'll completely stop it from boil over, unless you're going, super hard, but it really does quiet it down. So I'm going to brown this up here. Those noodles will have to boil for 8 to 10 minutes. Well, I have this browned down now. I use lean beef, so I don't have to drain it. There's not a whole lot of liquid in there or fat. So we're going to add, since this is a double batch, we're adding 1.5 cups of water and 2 packages of taco seasoning. And we're just going to mix that up and let it cook for a few minutes till it thickens up a little. Our noodles over here sound like they're about done. Now we're going to put our noodles in a bowl. I wouldn't have needed one quite this big, but it makes it a lot easier for mixing it up. Now we're just going to mix our taco meat in with it. Now we're going to add another packet of taco seasoning mix to this. If you want it to be more ground meat in it, of course add less noodles, and the other way around. I would think that this is about, I don't think I would want any more noodles in this. And now I'm going to add some taco sauce to this. You can do this if you want. Everything we're doing here is mild. This really does make it taste more taco-y, if that's a word. And this is really good just how it is right now, but it gets even better if it gets to sit for a little while. That's not really going to happen here. We're going to eat pretty quick here, but it's really good the second day. Alright, our roasted Brussels sprouts are finished. You can eat! Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. If you're cooking up the Brussels sprouts or the taco hot dish, you will not be disappointed. I will see you guys on the next video.